What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to mute messages from your Instagram group chats, right? So if you look on my uppermost right hand side, you can see that I have a message there, right? So if you click on that now guys, you will see a bunch of messages, and the first one is from the Boss of Fun Nation, right? So that's a group chat. Now in order to mute messages from your group chat, all you have to do is just tap and hold down on the group chat, and you will see the pop-up from below. There's an option to mute messages. So you want to tap on that, and you have a bunch of options here. You can tap for 1 hour, 8 hour, 24 hour, or until I change it. So all you have to do is just tap one of them. So let's say I want to tap this until I change it, and that's all. So as you can see right beside the message there, it says 2 days, and there is a notification there as well. But what's happening here guys is that I will not receive any message appearing there until I tap to unchange these messages from mute. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.